it's your girl Jay Amari, and today I will be showing you how to get this Valentine's Day look, this pink eyeshadow for Valentine's Day, for Galentine's Day, whatever day, honestly. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into the tutorial. So I'm gonna use the Zulu palette by Juvia'S Place. And I just want to the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this hot pink shade right here. I'm gonna just blend it above my crease right up in here, okay? Next, I'm gonna take this nice brown shade and blend that in my actual crease.
Sitting here just thinking about you. Wrapped all around you, trying to maintain my composure. Want you to come over, swallow my pride.
Next, I'm gonna take a brown tip like flat brush and my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm gonna cut my crease. And so how I like to cut my crease is I look where my eye naturally like creases, and then I take my concealer. Girl, what was that on my brows? And what I like to do is look down and just put a little bit on and then look up like that. Look up like that, and then I see where it makes a nice little crease at for me, like where I should put my cut crease at, and then I just follow the outline that it has made for me. Personally, I move like a turtle when it comes to my cut crease, because the thought of having to do my whole eye look over makes me cringe. So no. Then I just kind of, you know, when it comes to those edges, child, those edges, you gotta get it. Okay, now I'm gonna just go do my other eye. Hopefully you guys saw how I did that. Okay, now that both creases are cut, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia'S Place palette again, and I'm gonna use this. Actually, no. I'm gonna use the Saharan palette by Juvia'S Place and go in with the shade. Oh no! That's what I get for not paying attention. I just dig my fingernails into my bag. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bula, and I'm gonna take this squared flat brush, and I'm gonna just rub it all in. You see, like that. And then I'm gonna follow the I'm gonna fill in my cut crease.
Feeling like a drug addict cause I want it. Maybe I'm just trying to feel something. I'm not for real though, so why I keep fronting? Couple shots to jack, a little swig of Henny going in me, keep it even, never take advantage, hoping you can handle it. When my rain pours, can you stand in it? Break your body down like Jenga and reassemble it.
Actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and use my finger and do it that way.
So as I dig in, I take a breath for a second. Cause I'm not trying to route fucking for a strange reason. And then you said it. You put Write that 4-letter word in a 3-word sentence.
Can't tell the future, but I see my future deep in your eyes. Don't tell me what you want, I see the answer deep in your eyes. Just save your breath.
And then I'm gonna take my flat brush and do the edges so it can be nice and clean. That's the way. I like it.
Tell her how you really feel, but I keep my lips zipped like a lock seal. Another round as we tussle in the moonlight. Fingers intertwined, gotta hold back before I spread life on these walls you've been blessed with. Fitting tight as it feels right, as I look into your eyes.
And I just like to just do it, build it to my liking. One thing about eyeshadow, even with pigment shades, it depends on your liking. So build to your liking, you know. Some people will start right here. Me, I like to make sure it's like shabam. You know what I'm saying? Shabam bam. You feel me? And I'm glad I chose to use my finger because that turned out way better than I feel like trying to fight with this brush. Just use my brush for the edges and stuff. And then I just like to kind of blend it all together, like so. And just kind of go along the edges and blend like this to keep it nice and soft. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, hold on. I'll be back. Guys, now that I have cut the crease, I'm gonna go in with the shade Chad from the Saharan palette. This is where I messed up. I should have used dark brown, but it turned out cute. There, this dark charcoal-y black shade. I'm gonna just swirl my little brush all up in here. And we just wanna blend in between where Fula met that nice brown shade, okay? And just, you wanna just kind of build it. Don't wanna go in ham. That's why I'm using this tiny brush. Honestly, I wasn't thinking I should have used dark brown, but it's all good, it's okay. The world it ain't going in, cause you know, cause of this, you know. And you just wanna kind of blend right there. Okay. No. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna do the other eye. We're gonna do the other eye. Jesse's gonna fix it. Jesse's gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. It's alright. Okay, cool.
Sitting here just thinking about you. I want my legs wrapped all around you, trying to maintain my composure. Want you to come over, swallowing my pride, 'cause what I feel inside.
I'm gonna take the shade that I used for the brown, and I'm gonna just blend the black right here, you know, and do the other side.
Need to let me know if you don't want no clothes. We can go with the flow, see.
Okay, yeah, that's a little better.
Can go with the flow, see. Want you to control me. Find it
Okay.
hard to breathe. Feeling weak in my knees. Hope you see what I see.
So
'Cause I'm usually not
that's how it's turning out so far. I added some eyeliner because might as well go all the way, you know, go big or go home. So I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Well, no, I added eyeliner. I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is CoverGirl's Full Lash Bloom by Lash Blast. And I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna add my lashes, and then I'll do my whole face, and I will be back. Okay guys, so this is how the look is coming out so far. I added some eyeliner. It's not winged or anything. I just put on mascara. I'm gonna add some lashes and complete my face, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm about to add some white eyeliner on waterline, and then follow it up with some of that hot pink from the Juvia'S palette that I used as the first shade of this eye look. Okay, now my white eyeliner is added, and now I'm just going to take that nice pink shade that we used earlier. Put it in the waterline, the lash line, whatever line. I don't know.
I'm looking at my phone, contemplating if I make this damn call. Is it just so I can bone, or I can't be alone? But a choice needs to be made quick, cause these spliffs got a nigga fucked up, though it's all good. Beast feeling like I'm always so misunderstood, until I get a knock at my door like, well shit, I would've never thought it'd be you. You smell like a bar and you stumble on my floor, but goddamn.
Even though I like the pink like this, I'm gonna go ahead and take the brush that we use for the black eyeshadow, which is an M562. I'm not gonna add any more black to it. I'll see if I have to, but I just wanna blend out the edges of the pink one. Like right here.
Hoping you can handle it. When my rain pours, can you stand in it? Break your body down like Jenga, then reassemble it. Trenching deep.
So I forgot to film the finished look after I completed my makeup before the outro. So here you guys go. Here's some snap videos of the complete look. On to the outro. Hey guys, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, however you may choose to spend it. Don't forget to watch my first 2 videos, and until my next video, girl, peace.